Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to my channel. My name is Clara, and you are here to cook with Clara. In today's video, we are going to be making egusi soup. So stick with me. Let's get to know how I made the delicious egusi meal. Let's go. So guys, here are the ingredients we'll be needing for this particular egusi soup recipe. We have egusi here, which is the main ingredients of the soup. We have dry fish. I have three types of dry fish in here. Just freestyle your dry fish as long as it's tasty. You can use any dry fish of your choice. I have beef, cow meat beef. I have crayfish. We have pepper. I decided to use both red and yellow pepper to have a good taste of the peppers. I have seasoning cubes. I have bitter leaf for this recipe. I love using bitter leaf in my egusi soup. You can freestyle any vegetable of your choice. So guys, stick around, watch this video to the end and see how I made this delicious egusi soup.